Hi, this is the way that I set up my recorded lectures in my class uh, to give my students easy access to the lectures and to enable me to track the views. What I do is after I finish my lecture and after the recording is available, which is in the virtual classroom, you can go up to the top left here with the three little lines and access the recordings. Rather than just have them only available here because this seems a little bit out of the way to me and not as obvious as I'd like it to be, what I do is I take the lecture, I go over to the right hand side, and I copy link. That gives me a general web link that can be used anywhere. I then have a little section labeled recorded lectures over here on the left on my Blackboard page. And I go in there and I go under build content and I add a web link. And that gives me one of these. Each one of my lectures, then, my recorded lectures, is listed here for students to watch. If you notice, it says enable statistics tracking. You want to make sure that statistics tracking is enabled by going to here and saying on. Then when I want to run a report or look at the statistics, we view statistics report. And the only statistics report that is available is content usage statistics, at least in mine. And you click run. And in this case, I'm just going to select yesterday and today because I just started this tracking. But you can select the start date and the end date, and you can select any users. And I'm going to include myself and my preview user self because I use that as a test. And then you hit submit, and it gives you a report very quickly which you either pops up depending on your software or is then suddenly available here. I'm not going to show the report because it has student names on. I don't want to put that in the video, but you can download the report, and it contains numbers, access numbers, and I'm not 100% sure what they mean. I've just been looking at this the last few minutes. My number as a teacher is 20, I think, and as the preview user is 2. I don't know what that means because it's not minutes. I certainly was not on there for 20 minutes or even 2 minutes as a student preview. And certainly I was on there longer than 20 seconds or 2 seconds. Maybe it's the number of accesses in total. That doesn't really make sense to me either. But in any case, if somebody can let me know what those mean, that would be really helpful to me. Thanks.